Fun.
So, technology, as we heard before from Mr. Hakuna Matata, has come a far way, and we have inventions every day. Now we're gonna head to Cyber Magazine for some of the most outrageous, weird, yet genius inventions that made it to the market. Could you see yourself using any of these? I think I have one.
Okay,
actually.
you did say you had one. I'm not sure how outrageous they are. I think they're innovative.
Yeah.
Let's start with the first one, which is
stick on butter.
Yeah, and the same way
deodorant butter.
They don't put it on your arm or something.
It's like a glue stick.
You put it on the bread.
Can I tell you something though? You know that when I do that, I actually, if you have the stick butter, like the anchor stick, sometimes I do that. I just open the... Dude, I am telling you something. Why are you skinning up your face?
Bite into it too?
I just open the file and go up on the bread with the butter. How is that any different from what?
Like butter much?
No,
yeah.
I mean, not really.
Okay.
But I don't want a lot, so I don't want to like cut the piece and then I forgot you all of that.
Yeah.
And the bread hot and the butter cold, so you just...
And if this melt and then turn into a perfect
sandwich. Piece of toast bread.
Bread, got it.
So
Makes sense.
I'm probably one of the people who...
Yeah, I'm for that one, for sure.
Amen.
Technology is supposed to make life easier, so...
Deodorant butter.
That works. I don't want to call it deodorant butter because there are some people who are going to take what you say,
I want to smell like butter.
The butter and
who
want
to smell like butter though?
And in this heat, that's not good.
Them are going to fry.
You're going to fry. The next
fry
one.
Green arm.
Have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Sakina is this girl.
What?
Now, the bag on the right is apparently built with that green stuff on it. For all you bad mind, red eye people who see people sandwich in the fridge at work.
I wish I had that when I was at UWI.
Right? So from your look at that on the right-hand side, you're like, Ginger on the sandwich. Not today.
You know what though? Jamaican people that sit and pick off the ginger.
I feel you're probably right.
So that not gonna save you.
How is it, Andy? We take off the top part of your bread.
And throw it away? No, but not sure people do. Them lazy. Them not I wish I had that when I was at UWI.
Let me tell you something. I've worked in some places. I don't gonna call anywhere name, but you leave your lunch in there.
Are you kidding me?
Like in the fridge. You come back and find no, you find the container with like bone.
You have got to be joking. At big working people place?
Look at my face going. Okay.
One time when I was boarding at UWI, I remember leaving a piece of cheesecake in the fridge. And a nice girl, you know the clear container them that, yeah. And I came back and found the container with a note in there that said thanks.
At least they were manly.
So, it said thanks.
But if them did say that cheesecake in that bag, they wouldn't touch it.
With a smiley face.
It look like it ginger up. All right. Let's talk about the flask tie. This is for our friends who really cannot.
This is for an alcoholic.
Yes.
You don't want to call name, but that's an alcoholic.
You can't take yourself away from the barker for too long. So it's built into the tie. There's a little container in there that you just stash your
Is there a straw?
No, it's a flask. I guess you just pull
but
it
I
up.
see him have something in his mouth, like there's a straw going down to the flask.
Oh, maybe. I thought it was something that you just kind of pushed up out of the tie part of the tie you drink and then you shove back down it.
That's a lot of work. You don't see these people don't want to work. You never... it's outrageous.
It is a straw.
No, that's outrageous. You should get fired.
That's a problem though.
Yeah, you have an issue.
Look, if you have to buy one of those,
go see a specialist.
I would spend that money on a therapist or like AA or something.
AA free.
I know. It are? All right.
I think AA free.
Okay, that's the flask tie.
Next up, we have two-way toothpaste. Cindy, this is just for people who don't have any kind of discipline.
Why?
On a need to squeeze the toothpaste from the bottom up. You don't just grab it in the middle. You know how often I tell Sonia that? Don't just squeeze the toothpaste in the middle.
Yeah, but if you have this, you can squeeze it from anywhere you want to squeeze it. That's the beauty of technology, folks. It enhances your capacity to deal with the environment. So if you feel like you want to squeeze it from the left, squeeze it from the right, squeeze it from the middle, sit on it, stand on it, there may no difference. No longer do you have to go through when you reach the bottom of the toothpaste sometime and you don't have one more leaf. You have to like cut the bottom and then... I've heard.
Simone, it's okay if you do. It's okay.
Yeah, it happened to me enough
okay.
time. No toothpaste even the house.
It's okay.
It cannot squeeze up no more, so you have to cut it and then squeeze out the residue.
Oh, you squeeze it out or you use your toothbrush and just rub it in?
No, you have to squeeze out the residue like so. If you have one of those, you'd have no problem. Moving on to the next one. Just had a baby or have a toddler using a stroller, but
what in the name of the Lord?
This looks to me like an accident waiting to happen. Picture along there with Lauren in this. It's going to be a problem in halfway tree. It's very simple.
Straight out the traffic.
It's a scooter stroller.
So it have brakes?
Or a stroller scooter.
I don't know if that have brakes. Then wait, now look how them dress her up like them trying to make her look chic. Well, it's not working.
Maybe if you're jogging in the morning and you want to work out, you put your kid in there.
It's not working.
You go in an area that does not have high traffic, like the city shot here. This looks like a real risk.
It's not working for me.
Yeah, this is a risk.
Not working for me.
All right. What
goggles
else?
Umbrella.
Can we see it? Oh.
You know, this actually makes sense. No, don't scare your faces just quite yet. You ever, when the rain blowing, right? If the rain blowing and it blowing this direction, and you have to bring down the umbrella to cover it, and you can't see through it. And so you don't know where you're going, you have to watch your foot and then you buck up in a people. This one just gives you an opportunity to see through it so you don't back up into anyone. Don't it yourself.
So why didn't we
don't back up?
Why don't we put a clear
panel
all the way
around
the umbrella so that you can look
because then it wouldn't
back
look like
of you,
goggles.
front of you, and then just put a rear view mirror in there so that you don't have to. I mean, just make it a car and done. She's so crazy.
Or you could just sell a clear umbrella like they already do.
Goggles umbrella. Or you could just buy
a clear umbrella. I'm just saying. That's where I'd go, but okay, no problem.
What's the next one? A waist watcher belt. I could buy this.
I'm not depend on that.
So
but don't depend on that with a tape. To tell everybody.
I thought it was a belt that actually helped you to, you know, the belt with the built-in vibrator that helps you to lose weight while you sit. This actually tells you how many inches you put on.
Nothing
no gracias.
that vibrates that will make you lose weight.
Yes.
Because it's shaking.
Yes, they sell them in the stores. I never tell you that I believe in them. I don't know. I've heard that they do, but I don't know.
This is embarrassing. I don't want that.
I'm not interested.
So when we just eat and it will belly bang it out.
Nobody I know who's interested in this. No one know unless it can tight when you lose like 10 inches. No, nobody know want that.
The next one is the heights of laziness.
Okay.
Broom and dustpan slippers.
Also, you look like you kind of have to do a ballerina to get this.
That looks so
You're gonna have to
funny.
be able to do a toe point to get this right.
Who must do this? Instead of just go get a hand
so one foot of the slippers have on the dustbin.
And one have on the brush pad.
So you just walk and just gently.
This is to do what? Avoid bending down?
I don't know, but I'm not doing that.
This is too much thigh muscle work.
No, really and truly. That's a real toe point she's doing there. That's a ballerina to do this.
Too much work.
No gracias.
Which next?
This one is the one that you say you have.
I do have one.
Tell me about it.
Oh, it don't look like that though.
How does yours
look? It does look like a whirlwind like that one. It's actually a plastic cup and it has a little it looked like a whisk at the bottom.
Does it have a cover?
Yeah, mine has a cover.
Okay.
Because I use it for like shakes and stuff.
Okay. So you put the ingredients in there?
Yeah, and you just turn it on and
you press a button?
Yeah, it just and mixed up here.
Oh.
That makes sense.
That's very cool.
Yes.
I like that.
Buy one, give me, and I love it.
Okay, bring me one. Smart water bottle.
Can
you see the smart water bottle? Oh. This actually makes sense.
Why, Sim?
Suppose you're going jogging.
You have
and
a pocket?
No, you don't have. You may not have any pocket on your jogging clothes, so you put your money and
then jog with that in your hand?
And your key, and then but this needs something around your neck.
And then it drop out,
or a fanny pack. Or a fanny pack. Yeah, an attachment around your waist.
I don't
But as a general invention, I think it makes sense.
All right.
Then there's a dry side of the bench, because I hear we have to go to break, so we're running through. Okay, so if you're carrying the umbrella that we were talking about earlier in the rain and the bench wet, you can actually turn it around. See that handle on the side? And turn it upside down to the part that's dry.
Okay.
And then finally there's a slurp guard.
Look at the man. Look, no, come on now. What?
Is a hurricane going when you slurp the noodles and the liquid gets over into your face?
What's that guarding? Because the whole of your face is still exposed. So what are you guarding?
Your hairline.
Okay, I'm going to hear me a guard. We're going to go for a break. That one makes absolutely no sense. I don't even see the point. We'll still come back. Don't buy that.
You got to invent something.
Oh my gosh.